Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a new program called Plasticity. I downloaded the 30-day trial, so I'm going to be trying that out for the next 30 days. We'll go ahead and open the program. Is it already open? It's already open. We're going to be creating this part here, but we're going to be doing it from start to finish. So we'll go ahead and say yes to this. You get a cube. This is like a Blender, only it's not as it doesn't have as many drop-down menus. So to get rid of that, just go ahead and drag a marquee around it. Make sure you're in the right selection mode. Hit delete. Why can't I delete that? Come up here and select it. Hit delete. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what you want to do is we're going to go click on the Z here. Change this to Z mode. We're going to get our line tool. And I'm just going to loosely draw this. It's not going to be... If you want to draw perfect, go ahead and hit tab and just type in that measurement in there. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go close to what it is, 3. And then this is going to be 2. This one will be 2. This one will be 2. And then this one will be 3. Okay, so we're just going to do that. And when we're done, we'll right mouse click. Going to get this part. Now we're going to come down here and use this offset curve. So when we get that little arrow, we're going to click on the arrow, we're going to drag it up. And then we're going to type in 0.15 minus 0.15. Okay, that's going to get enter. And now we want to go, this is the CAD part of the plasticity, which makes this such a great program. So now we're going to go from endpoint to endpoint. Close up that one, right mouse click, grab the line tool again, go from endpoint to endpoint, right mouse click, close it up. So now we want to deselect, make sure that we don't have anything selected. We're going to click with the mouse and turn this a little bit, and then we're going to hit extrude. And then we want to come over here and hit this, and then while this little lollipop stick pops up, we're going to pull this. And then we're going to put our size in over here, just 1.5. Oh no, actually I wanted 2.5. 2.5, enter. And then you could hit enter again. Okay, so now this is our basic part that we have. We're going to put some holes in it, so we need to come over here to the Y. Now to do the holes, you probably want to use your three-dimensional cylinder. So we're going to come in here and type this 2. Let's put there 0.4. Okay, enter. And then we're going to put another one in there over here. Right there, the center. Click, type in 0.4. Enter. And then we're going to drag out, we're going to put one more in there. Get the cylinder. Go from there. Type 0.4. Enter. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and hold down our mouse key and spin this. Okay, we want to move these the other way, so we're going to go to select these, grab the little, this is not what I wanted to do here. Let's cancel that. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those, and we're going to draw them in the this mode up here, or this orientation. So we're going to click. Oh, that's the problem. I was drawing with the wrong tool. Cylinder, center, click, drag down, type in 0.4. Okay, now we got it right. Enter. So get the cylinder again, go from the center, type, click, drag down, go to your radius, 0.4, enter. Get your cylinder tool, we'll go from here, click, drag through, and then go ahead and type 0.4 in there, enter. Okay, now you want to go ahead and put a, let's go to let's go to Y, and I'm going to have to build a little box around here. Let's see here. I'm going to do this. Okay, we're going to go line tool. So we're going to go from the endpoint there to endpoint there. Right mouse click, grab the line tool again. I'm going to go from endpoint there to midpoint across intersection and then back up. Right mouse click. Okay, now we have this piece. I'm going to right mouse click and spin that. Let's go ahead and extrude this. Oh, it looks like I didn't do this right. Okay, let's undo this. Let's get back to here. Let's go to the let's go to the Y. All right, let's go ahead and do this again. Go to endpoint, go to there. Then we're just going to come down with that. Doesn't matter if it goes past. We'll just go ahead and trim that off. I think I'm not doing it right somehow. Let's go back to here. Got to make sure you click on the actual. Let's go to trim now. Trim these two pieces here. Hit OK. Let's go ahead and spin that. Let's go ahead and extrude. All right, so we're going to bring this up. Then hit OK. Now we're going to go to the move. I'm going to drag this down a little bit. Okay, now we're going to hit the, we've got to do the Boolean, so hit OK there. Click off of that, hit Q, and then we're going to do this part here to this part here, then hit OK. And then we're going to get rid of this stuff in here, so just come up here, click on it, hit delete, click on it, hit delete, and then this is our part. All right. This is going to be our quick little Boolean. Now the only thing that I would like to do is come over here to the, this is faces, this is edges. So let's go to the edge select. Select there. Let's go ahead and spin this around. I want to actually add some fillets here. So let's go to fillet edges. I don't know, for some reason this doesn't, I can never get this thing to work right. Let's click, let's select there. Go to, must be doing something wrong with this because it just doesn't want to do the fillets. Oh, that. Yeah, see, this doesn't seem like it wants to. It's supposed to like put this stuff in there, like, but I can't. It seems. There it goes. It's doing like the. It's doing like the line. Okay, let's do something here. Let's get rid of this. I think that's the problem. It had that extra line in there. So let's try it now. No, still acting weird. Fillet. Here it is here. It's working here. But anyhow, that's how you would add a fillet. Let's undo that. You just go ahead and click on the line and then just drag it. So if you drag this way, it puts a chamfer in it. If you drag the other way, top, it goes. You just have to play around with it. Dragging one way will get you a fillet, and dragging the other way will get you a chamfer, which is kind of cool. I like that feature. And then you should just be able to click on these lines, and have them move too. But see how that one, when I click on it, it gets a little circle. That lets you add a fillet or chamfer. And it should be the same with these down here with these little lines, but they don't seem to want to go there. Okay, that's all right. We can just add some fillets maybe here, and you can put in the same amount, so 0.1, just do an 0.1, something like that, and then do a fillet here, drag that, come over here, do 0.1, enter. Yeah, I just wanted some fillets here so it's not a weak spot. I don't have a mouse. I use a Alienware laptop, so for me, spinning this thing is really a pain in the neck. I need to invest in a mouse. Anyhow, this is going to be our part. I'm not really sure why the fillets aren't adding to here. They should be. Anywhere I click should add a fillet to this, but it doesn't seem to want to do that. See, there's a fillet there. That one's adding a fillet. Just this one is not, for some reason. Maybe it's got an extra line there or something it doesn't like. Oops. Okay, well, we're going to leave it at that. So adding your fillets is easy. You just go ahead and change your mode up there to line mode. Click on it, and then you're just going to drag. Don't drag too far though. And then it's going to add fillet, or it's going to add a chamfer. And then when you're done, just go ahead and click OK. And same with the circles here. You just go ahead and click on one side chamfer, other side fillet. So we can put one in there. Hit OK, and then we'll do this one up here. Add a chamfer, hit OK. And then if you want to get multiple ones, hold down the Shift key, click and drag, one side fillet, the other way chamfer. And then OK. All right, this is going to be our part. Once you're done with your part, if you want to save it out, and go ahead and come up here to save, do a export save as, and then just scroll down to the bottom. You get an STL, and we could just call this mount bracket, and then save it on the desktop. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed. And these, you can play around with these. These are going to determine how smooth or how blocky your STL file will be. Just hit OK there, and that's going to end today's tutorial. So hopefully you enjoy watching and you got some useful tips out of the video. And as always, thanks for watching.